Hey, it's Pat Ringo from the all-new Superior Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram dealership. You're on half of our show floor right here, and the other half is on the other side of that wall. We're on the opposite side that people are used to, so our sales division is across the street from our service division, which we're remodeling that right now and making that larger for all of our customer needs. I want to talk about one thing. We've had 20 years experience down the street with helping people get into vehicles that they want to get into. We know that bad things sometimes happen to good people. We got, like I said, we have over 20 years experience in helping people get into automobiles. Over 48 different banks we've had in the last 28 years. They're all down here now at the Chrysler store. Very competitive interest rates because you're going into newer vehicles, not older vehicles. Our banks are looking forward. What we mean by that, they're looking at a snapshot of what you look like today. Are you established? Are you paying rent, or are you paying a home payment? Are you paying your bills? Do you have a job? I'll tell you what, that's what they're looking at, and they're looking forward, not backwards, to help you out. Very competitive interest rates, like I said, so I'll tell you what, go along with our countless success stories over the last 20 years. If you're tired of hearing no, then go to SuperiorJeepRam.com, fill out Get Me Approved, and we will do everything in our power to get you in a beautiful vehicle today. Thank you for listening.